Using a T40 Torx bit, I want to go ahead and remove these 2 bolts. Install the mounting plate with the nut on the bottom using the original bolts. Go ahead and snug those down. And go ahead and take the mounting tube and the insert, put that in, line up the hole, and then install this on the bracket. Take the threaded rod with the nub, feed that through, and thread that down. We're going to swing this away and snug that a little bit right there. Remove the supplied hardware. Feed the bolt through. Put a washer on and thread it onto the mirror. Now what you would normally want to do is bring the mirror down to its position, and then you can adjust this mirror and use a 12 millimeter and go ahead and tighten down that bolt. All right, so these mirrors are generally designed for when you remove the doors and the factory mirror comes off with that door, you now have an accessory mirror to go ahead and be able to see behind you and drive safely. These are fully adjustable in and out, and then you have the adjustability of this mirror itself. Just snug that down. You want to go ahead and repeat for the other side.